Your body is a high-stakes chemist constantly fighting to keep your internal salt levels from turning deadly. Today, we're decoding the precise biological machinery that maintains your sodium balance and why it's critical for your survival. Your kidneys are the master regulators here. They constantly filter your blood, deciding whether to dump excess sodium into your urine or reabsorb it back into your circulation. When salt levels spike, your brain signals the kidneys to dial down reabsorption. It's a delicate dance ensuring your blood pressure stays within a safe, functional range. But how does your brain know when to hit the brakes? Hormones aldosterone act as the body's tactical team when sodium drops. These chemicals tell the kidneys to hold onto salt at all costs. Surprisingly, your thirst is a sodium management tool, not just for hydration. You drink water to dilute excess salt, preventing dangerous cellular damage. This elegant system prevents everything from heart strain to neurological failure. It's a silent, constant process keeping you alive. Your body treats sodium gold, meticulously hoarding it only when absolutely necessary to protect your heart. Subscribe for more deep dives into the science of you.